What's up, YouTube? Biz Matthew here once again with another video, and in today's video we will be discussing how to build a successful Shopify print-on-demand store, print-on-demand store. Now before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Now the first step to building a successful dropshipping print-on-demand store is to research. And so in this first part of the series, this is kind of, we're going to be doing the series kind of, so this first part is research. So how do you research? Now research is just basically finding winning designs for your print-on-demand business. And so most winning designs you'll find are on Facebook. Now these are for general stores. So the number one step is to research. And when you research, you just go to Facebook and you Facebook. So Facebook's the number one method to find winning designs. Now, how do you find winning designs on Facebook? You use a search and you type in these keywords: get yours now, or something like buy now, or along with the word, you have to put this word along with it. T-shirt. So make sure you put both t-shirt and get yours now, something like that. So Facebook can populate different posts that have both get yours now phrase and t-shirt word in the post, because if you just get search get yours now, you won't find anything. And so what you want to do with your general store, you're going to find posts that are selling extremely well, or that is doing extremely well, that has good likes, good shares, and good comments. Not just likes and like a few comments. You have to make sure it's really good engagement. Now with that, you can't copy the design. If it's an original design, you cannot copy it. If it's just a general design and you know someone is just playing on words, or if there's no copyright on it, then you can probably use the same thing. But if not, all you have to do is, after you find that winning design, is you have to hire a designer on Upwork or Fiverr to make similar designs. So when you find this winning design but you can't copy it, hire a graphic designer. Let me put the word graphic here. Graphic designer from Upwork to make a similar or better design than what you see on Facebook. And then after that, you're going to find like over like 5 or like a bunch of them every single day. You're going to be doing this. If you really want to succeed in this business, you have to work at it every single day. And so with this general store, now this is just a general store, because concentrating on one niche can be hard sometimes in the beginning, because you may not know if this niche sells, and you may not be as knowledgeable as you think in a specific niche. So starting off with a general store and just getting different designs, just seeing what sells, if the numbers are there, is going to sell. Now, once you find this winning design, you hire a graphic designer to create a design similar or even better than what's already selling. Then you have to test out these designs running Facebook ads. So that's part of the research. So test with Facebook ads. Now you're going to be, if you really want to succeed in this, you have to upload 3 to 5 designs a day on your website and run ads on them. So this is the first step really to creating a successful print-on-demand business. Is research. And the second step will be testing. Now you all may think, oh, okay, what am I supposed to do with testing? Now in the next video, we'll be discussing how do you test, because you always hear people, oh, just test, but what exactly does that entail? What does that mean? And so in my next video, the one tomorrow, make sure you all subscribe, comment down below, and like this video so you all can see this next video, because this is a game changer. Like, I'm going to show you exactly how I set up my ads and how a lot of successful print-on-demand companies set up their ads to win. So like whether that's view content, initial purchase, or initial checkout, add to cart, and then the different ad sets that you need to do to scale and win on your customers. So the first step is research. So research winning designs on Facebook, looking at sponsored posts, like the best engagement posts. Look at the design, get the design, create a similar design, and sell it and target similar people to that. To that design. So if it's like a horseback riding shirt or a Father's Day shirt, make a similar shirt to that. And also with that, test with Facebook ads. And so I'll be going over that tomorrow. So you have to test like 3 to 5 designs a day. If you really want to start, you're going to have to do that. You may be like, wow, that's so much. But if you really want to succeed, you have to do that. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope this was really valuable for you all, because the next day, tomorrow, I'm going to drop some fire on you all. Like, honestly, testing is going to be key. But like, it always starts with the research, with the design, with the product, and then the testing. The marketing, that's marketing. So it's the product and then marketing, and then scaling, and then how to wrap it up and maintain your customers. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. And peace.